Robotics is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, construction, operation, and applications of robots. Robots are machines that can perform tasks automatically, either by following a pre-programmed sequence of instructions or by responding to sensory feedback. Robotics is used in a wide range of industries including manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and agriculture. Robot can be used to perform a variety of tasks such as assembling products, welding metal parts, performing surgery, and delivering packages. In this video, we will take a closer look at robotics and its many applications. We will cover the different types of robots, how robots work, benefits of using robots, the future of robotics. First, we discuss types of robots. There are many types of different robots, each with its own unique capabilities. Some of the most common types of robots include industrial robots. Industrial robots are used in manufacturing to perform tasks such as assembly, welding, and painting. Service robots. Service robots are used to perform tasks such as cleaning, delivery, and security. Medical robots. Medical robots are used to perform surgery, rehabilitation, and other medical procedures. Assistive robots. Assistive robots are used to help people with disabilities perform tasks such as walking and dressing. Now we discuss how robots work. Robots typically consist of three main components. Mechanical components. The mechanical components of a robot are responsible for its movement and physical interactions with the world. Sensors. Robots are sensors to collect information about their surroundings such as their position, orientation, and the presence of obstacles. Actuators components. Actuators are the motors and other devices that allow robots to move and interact with the world. Now we discuss about the benefits of using robots. There are many benefits of using robots including increased productivity, improved accuracy, reduced costs, improved safety. Features of robotics. Robotics is the rapidly growing field with a bright future. Robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable, and they are being used in a wide range of applications than ever before. In the future, robots are expected to play an even greater role in our lives. They are likely to be used in new and innovative ways to improve our productivity, safety, and quality of life. Conclusion. Robotics is an exciting field with the potential to change the world. Robotics are already being used to improve our lives in many ways, and their importance is only going to grow in the future. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.